SIT Nukundana, SIT is being monitored, investigation is being monitored by the High Court. SIT is looking into the matter. Whatever evidence that comes, they will go ahead like that. അതിന് SIT I'm in the outside here. I could not go to there.
SITക്ക് ഒരു ഫ്രീ ഹാൻഡ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ് എത്ര വലിയ കൊമ്പനായാലും പിടിക്കാം എന്നുള്ളതാണ്.
ഡെഫിനറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് SITയുടെ യാതൊരു റിസ്ട്രിക്ഷനോ അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. SIT is functioning under the supervision of the Honorable High Court of Kerala with their dignity.
Information that one ISIS being picked up from Kerala. You have any Trivandrum information by the ATS?
Actually, he came from outside and he was arrested here because there the LOC against him.
So it was said by the state police or by the ATS?
ATS.
So have any information been shared with the state police on this?
State police and ATS, we are together only. We work on Any
more arrests likely? Any other leads?
that I have to put any information about that. I actually have to check up that data and get back to you, please.
And sir, you had a talk on this narcotics business, man. D-Hunt has been going on for a long time. So can you have you really identified from which place these drugs are flowing in Kerala mainly, and what we have done to really block that?
Okay.
Because most of the time, the persons we are catching is the last 10 fellows, and not the real culprits who are operating this. So what is the status now?
Actually, I would like to put it in like this. We have seen those where we have more than 125 detections of the commercial quantity. They are coming either from the Bangalore, one source, and a few people came from West Asia. They are also there, like Oman and other places. And a few catches have come from the Bangalore and Bombay also. The traditional drug like ganja, it was mostly coming from the Andhra-Orissa border that we have detected most of them. Like basically, most of those seizures have taken place at Palakkad area. But the other point about this to prevent, to block this part thing there, the number of cases that have taken itself is a testimony about the huge amount of detection that taking place. This drug actually per se, it requires a three-pronged attack. A good awareness is required, and detection is required, which we are doing on our part. And most importantly, we need to reduce the demand side. Demand side ni Korakan Mandala or Sham Bhagatantidi, we have recently launched a program of PODA, which you are all aware of it. Right? We want to collaborate with more number of agencies and enlist those persons so that the demand side can be reduced dramatically. We have to reduce the demand, we have to increase the awareness among the people about this thing, and also provide required amount of help to the those who are addicts, so that they can be brought back to the society.
Sir, regarding the Shabarimala case, there is an allegation that there is a political pressure on the SIT. Now, with the arrest of Tandri, is the most powerful person in Shabarimala. Can we expect more actions from the SIT? And what's your reaction on the allegation of political pressure on the SIT?
Definitely, there is no pressure at all from any corner at all. SIT is functioning totally free with the full freedom there, and it is functioning under the supervision of the Honorable High Court of Kerala, and hence there is no pressure at all. Whatever evidence they collect, and that only can lead to particular.
And there is a call for arrest or interrogation of former Devasan minister also. And can we expect that kind of intervention and free hand from the SIT?
SIT has been given the full free hand. They are doing investigation properly. Recently, they are submitting all their reports to the High Court. High Court is satisfied. Whatever under the Supreme Court, they are doing activities. Thank you, sir. Thank you.